Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about the benefits that goes with becoming a VIP on Lollipop Live app. Becoming a VIP is a special part of Lollipop Live app because it goes with exclusive benefits. So this is for VIP. You're going to receive a gift, a badge, a tag, and also a room theme. We also have other benefits like receiving coin, a badge, I said before, it a VIP gift, and also it activates VIP notification. That is for normal VIP. We also have the gold VIP. In gold VIP, you're going to receive 13,860 coin daily, a VIP badge, VIP tag, a room theme, a VIP frame, chat bubble, entry effects, profile card, and other gifts that goes with it. Other exclusive gifts that goes with it. Also, we have the diamond VIP. It also have its own different exclusive privilege, like the 34,000 daily coin, VIP badge, a VIP tag. Note this: as your VIP increases, your exclusive privilege also increases. So guys, that is the benefits that goes with becoming a VIP. It gives you more benefits as a user of Lollipop Live app. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on the benefits of becoming a VIP on Poppo Live app. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.